I love metal wired puzzles. I have quite a collection, and of all of them, this is really diabolical. Took me a long time to figure out how to do it, even after having watched how the solution in YouTube. So I'm doing this video to help you if you have a puzzle and you want to solve it, giving you some tricks and the different steps. It has like several steps that you have to go through. Okay, so the first step is very much like this classical one. You can see it's the same idea. Two rings with one ring in between. Same thing here. So I have figured out that the first thing you can do is twist one 90 degrees. Bring the ring here, turn them 90 degrees, and it drops to the bottom. Okay, so you see it's gone to the bottom, and it makes things easy to make. If you grab the ring and you see these things look like hangers, so it has to be on the middle of the hanger. Later, when you do backwards, if you do the edges, these corners instead of the middle, you're gonna have trouble. So remember this position, okay? Now you turn it around, you grab these corners and you rotate it, and you see that the ring is on the bottom. Now you want to bring the ring to the top. To bring the ring to the top, you don't have to force it. If you just try brute force, it's not gonna work. So just lift it a little bit, and now the ring has gone to the top. Now you put them together, and now you see that the ring is prisoner in this little corridor that we have made. Now we want to bring this ring that is behind to the front of this stick. Okay, so the easy thing to do to facilitate that is to move this thing forward, and that way the ring comes to the front. Okay, and now it just goes around and around and around and out. Okay, now getting it back is almost as hard or harder than the first. So just go back, bring it here, and remember it has to be on the top. Okay, if you drop it now to the bottom, you're gonna have problems. So remember to leave it here. Okay, and now you bring it here to the little corridor. Okay, so you bring it to the corridor, and you put it again behind. So once again, it's prisoner in this little corridor. Now, when you separate it, remember, it's in the top. You want it in the bottom. So you just rotate it. Now it's in the bottom. Now, just grab the ring, put it upside down, and now you see it's not in the middle. So you bring this to the middle, and you bring this to the middle. Okay? Now you want to drop the ring exactly in the center. And if you try to rotate it clockwise, it won't go in there. So you have to rotate it counterclockwise. And it looks like it's impossible, but it isn't. You have to put the ring right in the middle. And once you do that, voila, all solved.